This is the video for a 3-phase induction motor which is of power 3 HP and which can be made to run on 3 star as well as delta configuration. This is the nameplate. HP 3, voltage 415 volt, ampere 3 ampere. We always mention the no load current of the motor, and RPM is 1440. Wound is 3 HP and induction type. So this is the terminal box. In this terminal box we have kept open all the 6 terminals. These 3 terminals are coming, all the terminals are coming from the rotor, and if you want to run in delta configuration, then you have to short all of these 3, or these 3, all the yellow wires or these green wires, and you have to give supply on the complementary of that. By complementary I mean, if you are shorting the 3 terminals of the green wire, then you have to give supply to these 3 yellow wires, and if you are shorting these 3 yellow wires, then you have to give the supply to these 3 green wires. To work in star, then you have to use a automatic star delta starter, and you have to give input to all these 6 terminals, and then this will work first on delta, then it will work on star. So now let's start with working with the internal component of the motor. The thing which is rotary in the motor is the shaft of the motor. This shaft is fitted with a stator. So the stator can be seen from this cut section. The thing which is moving, this blue part which is moving under the stator, this is known as the rotor. This is a stamping base, and the length is around 3.5 inches. The white portion which you can see from this cut section, this is the stator of the motor, and all the winding in this AC motors is always done on the stator of this motor. The blue color wires that you can see, which is painted blue, are the copper wire which has been painted to show for educational purpose. Otherwise, if this wire is painted, then it won't conduct and this motor won't work. So this is a non-working model. So there are 2 bearings. It is moving because there are 2 bearings. One bearing is here and other bearing is at this end of this motor. So the motor is working because of this bearing. And the other thing that you need to understand is that there is in the single phase motor there is a clutch system. In 3-phase motor there is no clutch system inside this motor. So this is the complete working video of the cut section of a 3-phase induction motor, 3 HP, 415 volts.